Hello, my name is Teacher Jake and welcome to Kindy 3B speaking test. What's your name?
My name is Peter.
Peter.
I'm 7 years old.
You're 7 years old. And how are you today, Peter?
I'm good.
You're good. Peter, let's count numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Continue.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, let's count by 10.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Okay, Peter, let's have letters. E
E,
and E.
E,
What's the sound? E.
E,
How about these letters? A, I, and R.
R,
What's the sound? You say air.
Air,
Letters S
S,
and
Has,
H.
S,
So, what's the sound?
Has,
Letters U
U,
and R.
R,
What's the sound? This one, letters O
O,
and I. What's the sound? It's oi.
Oi,
Oi.
Oi,
Letters
O,
R.
R,
What's the sound?
R,
Or.
R.
Letters O and
Japanese.
what's the sound here? The sound is O.
O.
Letters? Okay. Ear. Letters E, A, R. Air. Ear. Okay? Now, Peter, we've got different animals. What animal is this? This one. What animal? What's the name? Is it a lizard? Yes or no?
This.
Yes. And this one, what animal?
Turtle.
Turtle. Is it a parrot?
This.
This one?
Rabbit. Hedgehog.
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 This one is a bear.
Bear.
Okay. Here, Peter, a lizard, it feels rough. Rough. Okay? How about a turtle? What does a turtle feel like? A turtle, it's,
This.
is it smooth or soft? Turtle, it's
This.
soft
Soft.
or smooth. Okay? Now, this one, a bear, feels like a, again, bear.
Bear.
It feels
Feel.
smooth.
Smooth.
Again, smooth.
Smooth.
Let's continue. Peter, let's have part of the body. Eyes.
Ear.
I've got
See.
two.
See.
I've got two.
I want to.
What are these? I've got two eyes.
Eyes.
Here, I've got two. What's this? I've got two
Ear.
ears. How about this? I've got one nose. Here, how about these, Peter? I've got
I want two hands.
hands. Here, I've got
I want two
Yes. And let's have 3D shapes, Peter. This one is it sphere? Again, sphere. How about this? Cone. Is it cube? Yes or no? Yes. And this one? Is it a cylinder? Yes, cylinder. Now this time, Peter, you are going to tell teacher Jake, what's the shape of an ice cream cone? This one is it cone? Yes or no? A tin. What's the shape of a tin? It's a cylinder. How about the ball? Sphere. Cube. Okay, a box is a cube. This time, Peter, let's talk or tell the time. What time is it here? It's
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. What do you do at 1 o'clock, Peter? What do you do at 1 o'clock? I go to sleep. What time is it?
3 o'clock.
What do you do at 3 o'clock? It's you can play with friends. Here, what time is it? 5 o'clock. What do you do at 5 o'clock? Play with friends also? What time is it, Peter?
7 o'clock.
What do you do at 7 o'clock? You go to school. And here, what time is it? 10 o'clock. What do you do at 10 o'clock? I go to sleep. Okay, Peter, you continue. I get up at 6 o'clock. School starts at
7 o'clock.
I have lunch at
10 o'clock.
I go to bed at
Go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Okay. That's the end of our speaking test today. Peter, say goodbye to the video.
My teacher.